what's up everybody? Welcome back. Bear with me here as I'm going to give you an update, and I'm probably going to be all over the place explaining this, but we'll show some footage of everything kind of in and out, and we'll see what we get. All right, so put the car up, took the wheels off. Got the wheels up for sale. Let's see, I don't even know where I started. Took the Cobra Jet out, throttle body, PMOS, cold air intake. Let me see. After that, we started taking all the. Actually, after that, we drained the coolant down there. Started taking some of the hoses off. There's one there. And we disconnected another one that's right here. Some of the other one is right here. Then over here. Let me see what else. We took the water pump out. Oh, this is a fucking mess. Took the belt off. Then we took the valve covers off. Right here covered. Brake booster. As you can see, valve covers are off. Both sides. Oh yeah, you like my my bungee setup system to hold everything up? Yeah. After we took the valve covers off, we took the harmonic balancer out, took the bolt out, harmonic balancer out. Alright, pray for me. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got ourselves a holding tube. Good thing about having random shit around. New pulley holder. Let me see if I can explain this here in a jiffy. What you never get explained is, you know, what I was doing is, I was putting, every mechanic should know this, but people at home don't know this, or whoever tries this at home doesn't know this. Let's see. I was trying to put this through here, and then in there to try to screw it in and pull it out. Wrong. You put the bolt through, you screw it in, you gotta kind of measure how far in or whatnot, and then you put, this bolt came with this, you put it through, attach these edges to the insides here for it to hold on. Then as you thread it in, and it goes through, it is going to sit on this right here, and as you turn it over here, it's going to push on the head of the bolt, and it's going to pull this out. Sort of. Hopefully you got that. We took some pulleys out, the tensioner. Then we took the timing cover off. Well, I took all the bolts out from the timing cover, I hope. There's 4 bolts in the bottom, holds to the oil pan, and then there's bolts all hidden all around. They're all kind of different, but you use a 10mm and a 13mm and you can get them out. I have them all in order over there, and hopefully I find where they go. But yeah, here we go. There goes nothing. Oh yeah. There's all the bolts right there. Timing covers here, covered up, all cleaned up. After we took the timing cover off, we took the chains with the tensioner. We already compressed the tensioner. Alright, so this is the timing chain tensioner. You have to compress this and put a clip here. Compress this and put a clip through here to hold it shut. So when we put it back on, remove the clip and it'll put tension on it. Let's see what I have. Something. Oh yeah, there you go. Little Allen key. We'll be able to go through. So we'll use a C-clamp. Under here. Here you tighten it and it's compressing. Yeah, get it all the way past that little ridge and you can put the clip in. Alright, let's put the clip through. And I need some space up so it doesn't get. Let's release, see if it holds it. Yep. Boom. There you go. Loosen it up. Look. Pin is there and it's holding. So once you install it, you pull the pin and it should put pressure back in the timing chain. And the guide rails, one side. This is the passenger side, this is the driver's side. And then we took out oil pump with gears. Timing cover off. Put the crank push mark at 12 o'clock. Got this side off. Rotate it to 5 o'clock. Got this side off. And took the bolt off. Took the sprocket out. And then I am down here now. About to take this pain in the ass bolt down here. I'm gonna wrap this wire around it and use that and a magnet, and hopefully I won't drop it in the oil pan. We shall find out soon, or I don't know, 3 hours from now or tomorrow. We'll see. Wish me luck. And boom, it's out. Got it out. that bolt that's a pain to get to. It's that bolt that goes right here. Bolt that goes under here is a pain in the ass to get here. So I just wrapped some wire around it. Took it out slowly with a magnet too. So once it came out with the wire and the magnet, I pulled it out. Now going back in, yeah, not ready for that yet. Anyways, here it is. Gonna open it up later, look inside, see how it looks. But yeah, that's it. That's the stock one, where you're gonna open it up, do a drop test later, I guess, like everybody else does. The new one is in boundary. Yeah, that bolt down there, pain in the ass, just like everybody says. So let's see over here. Took the spark plugs out, got the new ones out, gapped them already. As per Lund, we gotta gap these. MGK 6510s. 1 step colder for boost. So we gotta gap these 2.028. Let me check it one more time. 128. I was done. Coil packs ready to go before after that. We got, if you can see that right there. I don't know how to get this damn thing to focus. Anyways, we got ID 1000s and we got spacers from Power by the Hour for them. This is the water pump pulley. We talked about that. We got some gasket maker for when we put back the timing cover and the valve covers. And yeah, that's pretty much at where we're at right now. I'm waiting for my tech support, corn-fed. Jarrett, he's gonna help me put the chains back together and time everything, make sure I'm good, and then we'll start putting everything back together and wait for the rest to get here. So yeah, that's pretty much everything, I think. Keep looking around. I kind of got everything covered, so we're about to start putting everything back together soon, I hope. But yeah, that's kind of everything for now. So yeah, kind of bear with me. I'm all over the place. It'd be awesome to do a tutorial for everybody, but I kind of want to pay attention to what I'm doing because I don't know what I'm doing. I'm doing it based on videos and what I'm reading online and manuals, and yeah. Will it start once I'm done? We will find out someday. Maybe soon, maybe later. I don't know. Hopefully sooner than later. But yeah, that's the update. So hopefully you enjoy the clips I inserted in between all this stuff. Like I said, I'm all over the place. I've been recording here and there, explaining some of it, maybe not textbook, just kind of out of my own, what I'm thinking from what I've seen and what I've read. Hopefully you got some of it. If you have any questions or anything, definitely hit me up. I'll be able to point you in the right direction. The VMP video on YouTube is awesome. And there's another video too that's a little older. That one explains a lot too. And then of course, Mustang 6G in the forums. You can learn a lot from reading there. And if you have any other questions, just post on social media and stand by for the a-holes to answer random shit that they don't even know about. And then maybe you get one or two that are actually there to help and give you a good answer on it. But yeah, so that's pretty much the update for now. This next couple days coming up should be pretty interesting too, to finish this up and hopefully get everything bundled up, and maybe by the weekend we got something going on for the next video. So yeah, peace.
And I hope you let me in, yeah. I'm grateful, oh yeah, able, oh yeah, I'm stable, oh yeah, no label, oh yeah, you know me, I have only a path, I'm lonely, but damn, I'm going to win, yeah.
Is that cool or what?
Yes, that was cool.